Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious honey soy chicken. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves a good combination of sweet and savory flavors. To start, I have taken some chicken and patted it dry with paper towel. Next, I made a few cuts on the chicken to allow the flavors to penetrate more deeply. Now it's time to add the ingredients that will give this dish its amazing flavor. I started with garlic powder, then added some sesame oil, pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ginger, and lemon. Honey, once all the ingredients were mixed together, I covered the chicken and let it marinate for 3 hours. This allows the flavors to meld together and really infuse the chicken with deliciousness. After the 3 hours were up, I preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius and placed the chicken on a baking tray lined with baking paper. I put the tray in the oven for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes were up, I took the chicken out of the oven and preheated it to 200 degrees Celsius. I then glazed the chicken with some extra honey to make the honey more spreadable. I microwaved it for 10 seconds. After glazing my chicken, I put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes until it was fully cooked and golden brown. Once the chicken is cooked, take it out of the oven and leave it to rest for 5 minutes. Finally, I garnished the chicken with some fresh coriander for an extra burst of flavors. And there you have it, a delicious honey soy chicken that's perfect for any occasion.